Okay, so we're continuing on building some more tags on our HTML page. So again, we're in index.html in Atom. From here, I'm going to show you lists. So this is like bullets when you're thinking about writing in Word or something. And there are two kinds of list. There's an ordered list, which actually numbers the items in the list. And then there is an unordered list, which uses bullets instead of numbers to differentiate the list. And it seems like a minor thing to learn how to do bullets or numbers in code, but we actually use list for a lot of things, including our navigation. So we will go ahead and do this. I'm going to start with an ordered list. So the way that lists work, I start with my OL for ordered list, and I'm going to close that down here so I don't lose track here. And then each item within it gets this list item tag that has to be opened and closed. So in this case, this is an ordered list. So let's do SEC football teams. So we know Alabama is first here. So each item in the list gets this list item tag. Let's just be optimistic about Mizzou. So you'll see that I now have 3 items. I open the ordered list, I open each list item and include them. I don't include any numbers, but when we flip over to our browser, and I still have this open, and I'm just going to refresh. If you don't see anything change, then you need to make sure you save in Atom. But you'll see there's my list. It's got a 1, 2, and 3 by my list here. So that is an ordered list that we did with code directly. The unordered list would be the next item here. So we could list different sports that we won't rank them. So again, it's the same thing. I'm starting with a UL instead of an OL, and each item is getting a list item tag that has to be opened and closed. So I'll just add one more item here to show you what this looks like. And I have to make sure to close that UL and have the open and close. I saved an Atom, and now I've got 3 bulleted items in my web page when I refresh in my browser. So those are the basics of building an ordered list and an unordered list. Like I mentioned, these are things that we actually use for things like navigation beyond just listing items. So this will be important as you go. In the next video, we'll look at links.